Hello everyone. Previously we have discussed about charge, its type, how does a body acquire charge, and now we will discuss the process of charging and the basic properties of charge. Before that, we should remember charge is of two types, positive and negative. It is a scalar quantity. The SI unit is coulomb. And we also know that the charge repel each other and unlike charge attract each other. And if we want to detect the charge on a body, we use a simple apparatus known as a gold leaf electroscope. And now we will discuss the process of charging. Mainly, there are three methods of charging a body. The first one is charging by rubbing. When a certain insulator are rubbed with each other, when a certain insulator are rubbed with cloth or fur, they become electrically charged due to transfer of electrons. For example, when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, glass rod acquires some positive charge and silk cloth acquires negative charge by same amount. And we can explain this. We know that all the material bodies contains a large amount of electrons and equal number of protons in their normal state. And when rubbed against each other, some electron may transfer from one body to another. The body that donates the electron becomes positively charged, and while that which receives the electron becomes negatively charged. And the second process of charging is conduction. So charging by conduction requires actual contact between two bodies, and the third one is by induction. And this is the process of charging the neutral body by bringing a charged body nearby it without making actual contact between the two bodies. And now the basic properties of electric charges. The first one is additivity of charges. If a body has a charges Q1, Q2 and Q3, Q4 and so on, then the total charge on the body is the algebraic sum of all the individual charges. Means the total charge of the body is given by the sum of all the individual charges. Here we can say the total charge is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 Q4. And the second property is quantization of charge. The total charge Q on a body is always an integral multiple of basic quantum of charge, and we can write Q is equal to plus minus Ne, where N is the integer, and the charge of magnitude 1 coulomb, which contains 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. And the third one is the conservation of charge. We know that the total charge of isolated system remains constant, and the electric charges can neither be created nor be destroyed. They can only be transferred from one body to another. And the fourth one is invariance. That it means the charge on a body